Hi, I'm Michael White and I'm a doctor of physical therapy. Today we'll be reviewing exercises for seniors. Typically the exercises are performed with support at the counter with 2 chairs positioned the way we are today, a cane, a walker, any other supportive device that you have around the house. These exercises are designed to improve your balance, your strength, in order to prevent any falls or any future falls. Reviewing strengthening exercises of the hip. Simply have 2 hand support. The first exercise will be hip abduction. I'm gonna demonstrate that on the left leg. All you will do is lift the leg straight out to the side and then bring it back to center, placing your foot back down on the ground. It's important that you wanna try and keep your big toe pointed straight ahead while performing this exercise. You complete about 10 reps and a total of 30 before you might take a break. Hip extension is also an exercise to help strengthen your glutes or the proximal muscles of your hip. Simply start with 2 hand support, bringing your leg straight back and then bringing it back down on the ground. It's important to note that your knee should remain straight and your trunk stays completely upright while performing this exercise. This is hip extension. Balance exercises are typically completed in 10 to 30-second increments. Strengthening exercises are typically completed in sets of 10 for a total of 30. If you have any questions, you might want to consult your physical therapist in reviewing these home exercises.